is that?
Is it hot?
She's like, I don't know about this. Do you like it?
Looks like she just shook her head no.
Look at her face, it's so funny. Did you eat all that time? I think you did. I think you did. Do you want this? What do you think of that?
Can't tell if she's liking it or
I
not.
know.
It's her first attempt.
That was all just pushed right back out.
You'll get the hang of it. Give it a try. There you go. Swallow.
She's eating it just little by little, obviously.
You like that? Look at that.
You want more? Look. What are you doing?
It's sweet. It's probably really sour for her.
It could be.
She's never had anything that, like, other than milk before. Apples are so tangy. See, look at her. It looks like somebody who just ate a lemon.
Hey, Phoenix. She's opening for it, though. She ate most of that scoop. See, I'm getting the hang of this, huh? I'm getting the hang of how this works. What are you doing? Look at me. Phoenix. Is that good? Is that nice?
I was gonna say, try putting a little bit less on there.
What face is that? What face is that? Open up. Actually, that mostly stayed in, huh? A little bit on your hands. We'll just clean you up afterwards, huh?